We've had an increase of 14% in our machine utilisation and a parts increase of 65%. FourJaw's been a key step in us being able to increase our production and deliver to meet our demand.
So I'm Martin, one of our customers in Birmingham. They're a great manufacturer known for the high quality kitchen fittings and handles that they make out of copper and brass and similar materials.
We've got a variety of different machines from different manufacturers. We have a lot of processes going on one site. So over the last few years, we've gone through exponential growth. So during that period, a big challenge for us is our sales demand has exceeded our production capacity. So we've had a big push and a drive to increase our production capacity to meet that demand. Before, we were using an ERP system to plan all of our work, production against our sales. A lot of the data was captured manually, paper forms, paper sheets. So for us, there was always a delay in reacting to production problems or production issues. In identifying that, we started to kind of explore automated solutions to capture that data. It was a very quick process for us to do. It was very easy. As it's a cloud-based platform, it wasn't like we had loads to set up on site. It was pretty much the clamps on the machines. It was very easy to retrofit to our existing machinery and equipment as well.
So as soon as a manufacturer puts one of our devices on their machines, they'll identify some cables in the electrical cabinet, put a little clamp around them, completely non-destructive, and then that's them done. It'll start sending data up to us.
So we've seen really positive results from introducing the FourJaw platform. We can now show which machines are highly utilised, which ones aren't, which is a really, really powerful tool in allowing us to make managerial decisions to say, we think we need to buy a new machine, or we think we need to get rid of this machine, or we need to hire a new employee, or we need to do some training on this because it's not working where we expect it to. So on the shop floor, on each of our machines, we have a tablet showing current utilisation data for that machine. The machine shop can see that data in real time, which has been a real key driver in increasing our utilisation across the machine shop. This is enabled, I'm going to be honest, it's created a little bit of competition amongst the cells as well in the machine shop. They're all looking to drive their utilisation up. You know, they compete with each other on the shop floor to do that. So for us as a business, it means that we're delivering machined components. We're delivering more of them, more regularly and more on time, which for our customers is a win. With FourJaw, there's a very clear drive as well to continue to be innovative and to bring new features to the platform, which again is something that we've been really driving our systems development for a number of years. So that to us was a good alignment and something we thought would be useful moving forward.